Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved post settings on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now here we'll find saved. Click on it. Here as you see you'll find all your saved posts or comments, and that's it. That's how to find saved posts or comment settings on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.